welcome back to my channel. I hope you guys are doing good. In today's video, I'm going to be doing some 4th of July nails. So I wanted to do something different. I didn't really want to do like the flag or the stars. This was something I just came up with, kind of like freestyle. And for the most part, I'm not going to be doing too much talking. I'm just going to let you guys enjoy the video. And also, let me know what kind of videos y'all would like to see. Let me know in the comments. at this point, I was trying to figure out where I wanted to put my dots and how I wanted them to look, because I didn't want to put too many of them on there and then you won't be able to see the white. But this is how it came out, and I think it's really cute. So I couldn't really get a good footage of me putting the bling on the nails, but this is how it came out. Here's the final result. These are so cute. Y'all let me know in the comments how y'all feel about this set, and I will see y'all in my next video.